Renee and I are just about to head into Costco to do our beginning of the month grocery shopping trip. And Renee's my helper today because her birthday is coming up and we need to pick up stuff for her birthday treat. She picked honey ginger cookies with chocolate and sprinkles, like dipped in chocolate. So we're going to be grabbing that stuff as well as our regular month grocery stuff. Look at this, Renee. They have Instant Pot accessory set for $20. Let's see, what is it? I guess it just comes with these things.
Look at this toaster.
Like cake pan with dividers.
Look at this toaster.
Like it has these nice steamer racks. Those are good. That are tall, and then the shorter one that you can do your eggs in. That's cool. 8 piece. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the 8 pieces?
You should get this toaster.
I don't need a toaster. I just don't need a toaster.
Make toast.
Then we can't make toast.
Then we can't make
All right, oh, I guess the divider counts as a piece. Oh, there's one of the other pans have removable bases. One of the pans has a removable base for like a cheesecake. Well, that's cool. I might get one of those since they're on sale and do an unboxing of it. Nice job. You gonna put it in the cart? Drop it in. Just drop it. These are still on sale for a really good price. So I stocked up a couple weeks ago, but I think I'm going to do it one more time before the sale ends because it's such a good price and we really love these. And we've been having lots of campfires recently, so we got to have some hot dogs or Polish sausages to roast over the campfire. Sure. Here you go. Yeah, we'll probably get some apples. Oof, can't get it out. Get one of these. This is going to break the bank, Renee. This vanilla is so expensive. Almost $25.
I don't know what that even...
You don't know what it means to break the bank?
No.
It means we're going to use up all our money. I'm just joking, but feels like it sometimes. All right, we need to get flour for your cookies. It's hard? Hard flour? Sounds great.
Even harder.
We got to get chocolate chips. You want to grab them? They're right there. Because you need them for your chocolate dip cookies.
Yeah, to melt that.
Yep. And we were all out of chocolate chips. You want to put it down there?
Yeah.
Rocks are not concrete, but rocks are like an ingredient in concrete. They use rocks to make concrete. Alright, let's get one of these. We haven't gotten these crackers in a while, but we're going to get one box for some special treats. Yum!
I wish the cheese ones were on sale.
I know, I wish I still had those. Where did they go?
Yeah, I wish. But can we have those ones?
Yeah, let's be thankful for what we can get, right?
What?
Let's just be thankful for what we can get.
Yeah, I'm thankful for what we can get.
Yeah, that's wonderful. I'm going to give this a try for healthy snacking. It's just coconut, no added sugar or anything. Hopefully they taste good. Do you like coconut?
Yes.
$9.99. $15.72. $16.99. $14.89. $1.49.
So here's my grocery haul, and it's kind of an expensive one this month, but we just needed a few things and stocked up on some good stuff. So we got organic flour. This will last us quite a long time because we don't use that a lot. I wanted to get stuff to make breakfast sandwiches like I usually do, every month or 2 months, but they were out of the sausage patties and they were out of the sandwich thins. So I grabbed a couple loaves of bread so I can make some quick breakfast sandwiches for my husband to take if he's, go off to work. To tide us over until I'm able to get that stuff to make the breakfast sandwiches. Got 2 packs of bananas, big bag of chocolate chips, string cheese, big thing of organic pasta. I got 1 thing of the non-fat plain Greek yogurt. We usually like to get the full fat yogurt, which they don't sell here, but I just figured I'd pick one of these up just to tide us over until I'm able to stock up on that. Of course, this was super expensive. Vanilla is so expensive, but it does last us a long time. So just had to bite the bullet and get that because we needed it for Renee's cookies. Gonna try that organic coconut. It's just coconut, and we'll see if we like it. Hopefully we do. Some pork rinds. These are really good for crunchy snacks. These were on sale again, so I stocked up. They were $4 off, which is pretty good. So I got 4 packs of those, 1 pack of the sliced cheddar, and I'll use that for the breakfast sandwiches that I put together. I got 2 of these turkey breasts. We're going to be making some wraps with turkey breast and veggies and stuff. And I got 2 of those. I figured I might use some of those for my husband on his sandwiches as well to tide us over till we get the breakfast sausages. I got a big bag of dried mango. We have a long car trip coming up here pretty soon, and so I wanted some easy stuff for everybody to munch on in the car. Same for this. This is the almond flour crackers. I just wanted them for when we're in the car for a long time so that we can have easy stuff. I got a pack of butter, and I think that is it for the food. I also got non-food, but I'll show you that in a second. The total that I spent for food today was $213.96. For non-food items, I picked up a couple of these pairs of capris. I wanted some of the ones that had the pocket that you can put your cell phone in. So we'll see if those work out for me. Pack of paper towels, some paper plates. We don't use these often, but they're nice for some get-togethers, like if I'm taking a meal to a get-together. So stocked up on those. And then, of course, I got this Instant Pot accessory kit, and I'll do an unboxing of this here pretty soon so you can see what it's like, see what I think about it. Non-food items cost $89.45. So Levi gives a thumbs up to the coconut. He thinks it's pretty good. I tasted it too. It was good, even though it had no sugar added. It's kind of crunchy, a little bit crunchy. Good stuff.
I think it's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good. How many thumbs up do you give it?
120.
120. All right, sounds good.
Every food I give 120.
Okay.